Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Hornet Nation. I'm Livi Morgan.
And I'm Collin Wagner. This week, we take a look into the bowling season, go in their shoes with the gymnastics team, and look at some current scores.
All this and more on this episode of Hornet Nation. The Saline bowling team has drastically improved this season. Travis Woodman talks to some of the team members to hear their take.
The Saline bowling team has had an outstanding season this year, scoring wins left and right. I talked with some of the players to reflect on their season.
I think everybody plays an important role. I don't think that there's any one person that's an MVP because we all have to work together to win the matches.
It's a team effort. I mean, the first two games are pretty much most important because they set you up with a good lead if you win them.
I'm actually going to try to train a lot over the summer, which I haven't done in the past. I'm hoping that it goes well and I get better.
With most of the season in the rearview mirror, Dallas Casey tells me about the team's biggest win.
Tecumseh. I mean, we started off down 10-0 and we bowled really good to win the match at 16-14, so it was a really good game.
The Hornets blew away the competition with 11 wins and only 3 losses. All this and Dallas Casey bowled a perfect score of 300. The girls' team may not have bowled a perfect score, they have still been honing their skills this season.
My biggest personal moment was probably just getting to know the girls a little bit more and honestly just coming together and growing these friendships.
So far I think it's been pretty good. It's been a little bit harder than last year because we only have 5 girls and last year we had 6. That means that everybody's bowling now instead of being able to rotate people.
The girls' team has seen less success with a record of 7-7. However, they've improved from last season's record of 5-11. They're looking to improve even more next year.
We will be getting more girls. I know that there's a lot of 8th graders interested right now, so we won't be stuck with 5 again.
Both the boys and girls bowling teams had a great season this year. Let's hope next year they can pick up the spare.
I bowl casually with my friends, but doing it competitively is on a whole nother level.
The varsity basketball team went up against Skyline on February 8th. After a furious game, Saline ended up winning with a score of 57-35.
On February 7th, the co-ed wrestling team dominated Ann Arbor Huron with a score of 66-15, giving them another easy win under their belt. Great work, Hornets. Gymnastics is a very challenging sport that takes years of strenuous practice to master, but our own Cole Pelton takes off his shoes for this segment of In Their Shoes.
Finally, Cole Pelton has come back to In Their Shoes. Now today, I'm going to try and be a gymnast and see what it takes to be a gymnast. So let's see how I do in their shoes. I'm here with
Mallory.
And today she's going to be showing me how to be a gymnast. So what does it take to be a gymnast?
Immense strength, flexibility, and just definitely perseverance. We're going to try some skills on floor, so do some tumbling and some dance, and then we're going to go on to beam and try some skills there.
All right, let's see how I do.
Yeah, there you go. That's good. There you go. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is important, especially working out outside the gym, not just relying on what you do inside. Weightlifting's always good. I know we weightlift Mondays and Fridays, so just getting that strength, especially for bars, and just any elements with tumbling, strength is always a good idea. It gives you that extra power.
So clearly I am not a gymnast, but now I know what it's like to be a gymnast. So, for Hornet Nation, I'm Cole Pelton.
And I'm Mallory Bowman.
And this has been In Their Shoes.
I hope Cole is all right after that nasty fall. You never learn, do you, Cole? That's all for this show. Join us next week for the Gymnastics Senior Night, a player profile, and look inside the game for cheerleading.
Be sure to follow us on Twitter @NationHornet for the latest show updates. Also, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel @CelineVideo for more great content. Signing off, I'm Collin Wagner.
And I'm Livi Morgan. Have an awesome day, Hornets.